Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today I'm here for a new video. Yeah, sure, this is why you're on YouTube. Girl, please. No, so what I really wanted to say is that we are heading for New Year. So this means new friends, new class, new schedule, new organization, new dreams, new vision board or dream board. So the vision board that you see behind me was made last year. Some of the pictures that are on this board now are just not inspirational as they was 1 year ago for me. I decided to do a new one and to go for a fresh start like every single year. I will give you some tips for follow your vision board the right way and use your vision board at your advantage. So let's get right into it and let's make our vision board together. Go! The first thing I would really advise you to do is put yourself in a mood that you enjoy. Play your favorite music on or favorite plus. Put yourself in an atmosphere that makes you feel good. You will have an easier time associating your images with a positive feeling, and that's what we want. Secondly, I would strongly recommend that you prepare in advance a list of all your wishes and goals for the coming year. This way you will know more easily how to classify your images on your board, and this will define more in depth what will be on it. And this is where all the most interesting part begins, which is finding the images to place on your own dream or vision board. Really choose pictures that will inspire you and make you feel good. Don't take any images because it represents what you want. If that doesn't inspire you, it would just be a simple picture on the table, and that's not really what we're looking for here. Remember that the board you create should be a reflection of the life you will soon have, and make this life inspiring to you. Instead of always looking on Pinterest or Google for pictures, you can also go and look for food in magazines or books. Inspiration can be everywhere. Don't hesitate to search. Okay, so guys, I have my amazing board next like behind me, and I will just start putting all the photos and all the images that I found and that inspired me on my board. Let's go! this is the end of my vision board. Like, this is the end of my... That's not what I meant. So I finished my vision board. I spent one whole week on it. Like, really spent a long time on it. Because I had to look for more images and more inspirational things. And you know, those images that you will choose for put them on your vision board need to be eye-catching to you, and they really need to represent something to you. You need to feel the images, because everything is in the images and in the quotes, or yeah, you need to be inspired by what you see, and so it need to be eye-catching. You need to feel like the most euphoric person in the world when you will look at your vision board. You have to put on this vision board all the things that you want to do for 1 year, but also the thing that you want to achieve. What you have to put on your vision board really matter. You should put all the things that you want to achieve for a whole year. Like, you don't have to put all the whole thing you want to achieve for like 5 years from now, because your desires would probably change. Life is like that, and this vision board totally show how much I changed in one single year, and that is so amazing to me. So yeah, I'm really proud of me. I want you to know something. When you will change your vision board in like 1 year, I want you to be really proud of yourself and to look at your old goals, but look also at your new ones. And do you know what? No, you know what? I took some images from my old vision board that I placed back on my new one, like this one and this one, because those type, and this one too, because those type of images still be important to me, and that's why I put them back on my new vision board. So feel free to do whatever you want with your vision board. This is like this is you on the board. This is already you. This is already you. Like, this is already me. You need to feel like that. You need to feel that this is you. This is you. This is your life. And in 1 year, you will look at it and you will need to say to yourself, wait, that's my life. I have this life. I really mean it. You have to feel the most happiest person in the world when you will look at your vision board, because you know that you will attract all those things. You already know it. You really want it. It's not something you want. It's something you already have, but it's just coming your way. You know, law of attraction, all those things. Guys, you can attract whatever you want. You are what you decide to be, and you are also your actions. Make sure that the person you will be in 1 year will be proud of the person you actually are. You see my point? Yeah, right? Please. This is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, or this helped you a little. See you in the next video, and keep smiling, guys.